Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you and your family are doing well. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about how to pronounce this word properly. And that word is in Surah Al-Ahqaf, ayah number 4. Let's continue. Here you can see we have a stopping symbol, and this stopping symbol is optional, which means either we can make a pause here or we can read it continuously. In case if we are reading continuously, then that is very easy. Simply we can connect this T sound with letter Hamza. This syllable becomes the T is going to connect with Hamza. So we can pronounce it like that. أَمْ لَهُمْ شِرْكٌ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ ائْتُونِي بِكِتَابٍ. So simply we can connect the T sound with Hamza. That's the easy pronunciation. In case if we are going to use this stopping symbol and we are going to make a pause here, then the pronunciation becomes like that. أَمْ لَهُمْ شِرْكٌ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ ائْتُونِي بِكِتَابٍ. As you have noticed that we pronounce this word ائْتُونِي. Now let's talk about why we are making such type of pronunciation. To understand this thing, first of all, we have to check the original formation of this word. The original formation of this word is like that, and you can notice letter ta has a kasra originally. But in this example, you can see letter ta has dhamma. And this dhamma is not an original sign, that is a temporary sign. Because we got it that the original sign what letter ta has, that is kasra. So we can say this dhamma is a temporary sign. Why this original kasra sign converted into dhamma in this example? As you can see in this example, after letter ta, we have letter waw. And as we got it that the original sign what letter ta has, that is kasra. So now it becomes really hard to pronounce. That's why according to Arabic rule, we are going to convert this kasra into dhamma because the next letter is waw. So then this one becomes tu. Now it's easy to pronounce. This word is starting with Hamzatul Wasl. At the time of using Hamzatul Wasl, one of the rule is that we are going to check the third letter sign. In this example, the third letter is letter ta, and the dhamma what you can see top of that is a temporary sign. The original sign is kasra, so we are going to take the decision according to the original sign. Originally the third letter has kasra, that's why we are going to give kasra to Hamzatul Wasl. So the starting sound becomes E. And here is another simple method to know which sign we have to give in the beginning, and that is whenever you see letter Hamza is written top of this shape, which means the previous letter definitely has a kasra. By just checking the shape of Hamza, we can know that we have to give kasra in the beginning. So the first sound becomes E. I hope you got it. After that, we have to apply another rule to get the final pronunciation. In this example, as you can see, the second letter is Hamza. If the second letter is Hamza with sukun sign, and the previous letter has a kasra, so letter Hamza will be converted into letter ya. Now let's apply this rule here in this example. As you can see here, the second letter is Hamza with sukun sign, and the first letter has a kasra. So we are going to convert letter Hamza into letter ya. It becomes like that. Now that's the final pronunciation. The E sound, we are going to make it for 2 count because of letter ya. E, and the second syllable is tu, and the third one is ni. E, tu, ni. I hope you got it. So these are the few rules we have to apply on this word to get the final pronunciation. If you have any question or if something is not clear, you can ask. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and take care of this channel.